Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully convert our HTML template to the React.js, right? So now without loading that page, we can actually access all that our component. So how can do that work step by step? I have already discussed about that things with you. So now in this video, I have already converted, right? So now if you want to upload this project to your client website, that means the web host, how can upload this project to the web host? I will show you that things with a live example. For doing this, we have to use that build. That means, as I told you before, in fundamental, when we run as a npm run build, then automatically it will be created one of the deployed version. That means one of the build in our project, right? So in fundamental, I have already discussed about that things with you. So now we will actually apply it. So here, first of all, if you want to apply it, then you have to do, first of all, I want to choose one of the web host. So right now we don't need this, we successfully convert it. So for education purpose, they have one of the my client website. Okay, that is one of the website actually that is under construction. So right now I want to actually update this project in our particular this web server. So if you want to access that web server, right now my link is that our website and then /cpanel. Now I just simply open it. And into the cPanel area, you have to put your appropriate username, password, and after that login, you will get this type of one of the screen. Okay, so here you can see that is actually a file manager. So all that file manager, you can save it on here. So right now, I want to actually first of all create one of the subdomain. So if you want to create that subdomain, that is a domain section, that is our subdomain. So now I just simply open it, and for now I want to create one of the subdomain as a convert. Okay, I just name it as a convert, and then our domain route will be as a convert as a this domain name. Okay, so that will be our convert. So now I just simply create it. So I want to create one of the subdomain names or convert our domain name. So I just better save it. So here I just simply save it. Okay, so that will be our domain name. So now I just simply go back. So if you want to access it, so if you go click on here, you can see it's now redirected to our this file area. So here, first of all, we have to upload all that our file. Okay, that means our building all the deployment file. So before do that work, first of all, I want to do, if you go to our project, into the project, so right now we don't need this. I just simply remove everything from here. Okay, then you have to go to your this position. That means that is in our package.json. Into the package.json area, you have to actually add that your home path route. Okay, so here we have to do, first of all, I just simply copy it and I just paste it. It should be as a home page. Okay, that will be as a home page, and into this area we have to update our link. That means I have already created one of the subdomain. So our subdomain name is this one, right? So I just simply copy it. Before this, we have to also add that HTTP. So better I want to do that will be as HTTP, not the S. So I just simply added our subdomain name will be as a HTTP convert and then our fgclbd.com, right? So now I just simply copy it, and now here we have to add your domain name. So right now I'm actually using this domain link. So whatever the things you will actually update it, you have to add that your domain name on here. Okay, so now I just simply added our domain name. Now click as a save all. So I just simply click as a save all. So now we have to actually deploy it. That means here, that is our convert. So here I want to open our CMD, and here I want to as I told you before, I want to create one of the building file. That means here we have to add that as a npm and then run and the build. So I just simply added as a npm run build. So now it will be created one of the deployed file for the web application. So now if we click as a enter, so in fundamental I have already discussed about that things with you. So now we will actually use it, then everything will be very much clear to you, right? So friend, it may take little time, so better when it will be done, I will come back again. So now friend, here you can see it's now successfully built our this deployed version. So also it's now created one of the folder in our project area, that is our build, right? So now we have to open our this build, And here that is all that our asset, the statics, all the data. So now here this file is for our deployed version. That means if you want to access this project, you can access it through this project. So now if you click as a, like right now I want to make the things as a compress. So I just simply added as a add to achieve and make the things as a zip, and that is our build folder.zip. So now I just simply click as a OK. So now you can see that is actually our build folder. So now I want to actually update this zip file. I want to update this zip file in our subdomain. So here I have already added our subdomain name. So in particular that position we have to update. So now go here. So that is our convert, right? And here I want to upload it. So now go to our exercise file, and here that is our convert project, and that is our build. Into the build, that is our zip file, right? So now I just simply select it, click as the open. So now you can see it's now successfully uploaded. Click as a go back, and now here you have to extract it. So I just simply click as the extract file. Everything is now extracted, so now it's perfect, right? So now if you want to access it, so now we can actually we have to access it through our this subdomain link. So that is our subdomain link. I just simply copy it. So that means that is actually our subdomain link. So now here I just simply paste it, click as a enter. Yes, you can see. So successfully our project is now loaded. That is our images, and that is all that images is perfectly loaded, and you can see there is a JS file is loaded. So that is our home component. So that is our all that things appropriately just like that same, right? So now if you also go to our about without loading that page, you can see it's now perfectly loaded. Our about page, if you go to that service without loading that page, our service page is loaded. There is a portfolio page is loaded, and then also the branding, logo, every file is now loaded, right? So everything is now loaded. And also if you go to that our page and the blog, so that is our all that blog page, and here also I put some of the inner link. So into the inner link, if you click on here, you can see it's now perfectly detected without loading that page in our blog details page, right? That means right now it's perfectly working in our web server. So into the web server, how we can deploy it, I hope everything is very much clear to you. And then that is our contact page, right? So everything, that means our total project, now we successfully convert it from the HTML side to the one page application. That means we convert it to the React.js, and also we successfully loaded all that our component, and now we successfully upload this project to the web server. So friend, I hope you enjoyed this section. I hope you learned a lot of the things, how much easily you can convert any HTML site to the React.js. So now pick any HTML site. Better you can download a lot of the HTML file from the theme forest rather than into the Color Lab. They have some of the free theme. Okay, so now we can actually choose this type of related any theme, and that is all that HTML theme. You would just try to make the things converted to the React.js and offer to your customer, or an offer to any company that you want to. They have some of the static files. If you want to convert it, you can convert it to the React.js. Okay, so now your task is to take any one of the HTML site. Okay, just take any HTML one of the theme and try to convert it to the HTML to the React.js. If you face any issues, if you face any problem, just let me know about it. I will be in your touch. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.